be someone else until the lights go out. Red, let's play house. I'll be the bad guy now. You can be someone else until the lights go out. Red, let's play house. I'll be the bad guy now. You can.
Guys, my name is Rosario Mir. So this is empowerment technology. Number 1, file manager. The file manager function can create, open and close files, write data to files, and read data from files. In addition, file manager or routines can create directories, determine characteristics of files in directories, and copy files. Number 2, Google Drive. Google Drive is a free service from Google that allows you to store files online and access them anywhere using the cloud. Google Drive also gives you access to free web-based application for creating documents, spreadsheets, presentation, and more. Number 3, MediaFair. Make it easy to find your documents and file by using MediaFair's powerful, yet easy to use file manager. Upload, copy, move, and control access to your files. Number 4, Microsoft OneDrive. To save documents, photos, and other files in the cloud, share them with friends, and even collaborate on content. OneDrive for work or school, and online storage for your work or school organization. 5. iCloud. You can access your photos, files, passwords, and other data on any device you choose because your data is stored in the cloud in not a single device. It stays up to data everywhere. For example, if you turn on iCloud photos on your iPhone and Mac, you see the same photos on both devices.